Baby is 40 days old today, and we had a hectic morning so far, but I'm so grateful that I was able to get my hair done because the lady from my salon came all the way to my house, which was 15 minutes away. She said it wasn't so bad. And she actually did my hair because I haven't gotten it done in over a year and a half, I think, or maybe a year. No, it's okay. I take a video. It's okay. We are feeling very pretty today. Finally, after 1 year of not caring for myself whatsoever, we got our hair done. It's kind of the filter, but it looks like this without it too. It's very silky smooth. I'm putting a filter on to help with my current sleeping situation and my dark circles. So do not be fooled, this is a filter, but my hair looks amazing as well. Finally, after a year, I feel pretty again. We feel pretty again. Here is my lunch. It is some ground beef with some cauliflower and some pepper. And I have some oatmeal loaded up with fruit here because I'm starving as usual. And I'm gonna drink some water too. And then as usual, baby is feeding at the same time as I'm eating, so boom. Okay, we're gonna do an unboxing of baby's gift. So lucky, baby. Lucky baby. Oh, so cute. Okay. Oh, do you see? That's so cute. Oh, so cute. That's so cute. Nice little shoes. I want to try them. First time going out for dinner. Diaper bag, blanket, little hat. We're going out for dinner.
冷米吗？料？
哦，要装上来后边小排是啊，加来长包后排啊。多进来。
要给那什么？
没有，你让他自己想吃的东西。反正这个很好吃。